and welcome. You're watching Don Bosco Media Network. This is Abigail Carmelim bringing to you the Salesian news across the globe. Today, March 15, is the Dies Natalis of Blessed Artemide Zatti, healed of tuberculosis by the grace of Mary, help of Christians. He dedicated his whole life to the sick, whom he loved in a moving way and in whom he saw Jesus. He was a tireless worker, but above all, a great Christian. He died on March 15, 1951. Pope John Paul II beatified him on 14 April 2002. Pope Francis celebrates Mass to mark the 500 years anniversary of the arrival of Christianity in Philippines and urges Filipinos to renew their commitment to Christ as missionary disciples. In his sermon, he added, "Dear brothers and sisters, 500 years have passed since the Christian message first arrived in the Philippines. You received the joy of the gospel, the good news that God so loved us that he gave his Son for us, and this joy is evident in your people. We see it in your eyes, on your faces, in your songs, and in your prayers." The traditional MGS Day Date, which gathers more than 500 young people from the Salesian youth movement, returns online on Saturday 20th and Sunday 21st March 2021 for ICP inspectory. Father Julian Jacques, 76 years of age, passed away in Kenya. In the EAO region, he was best known in Myanmar and Timor-Leste, but also through his work in Formation post-novitiate stage in 2018. Just yesterday, this message from his provincial, Father Wilfred Wambeke, Belgium, North Holland, BEN, reached the General House. Father Julian had been such a wonderful gift to many young Salesians, mostly in the regions of East Asia and Oceania, South Asia, Africa and Madagascar. No one ever was able to impact the lives of so many young SDBs in so many different provinces by direct interactions, deep reflections and true brotherly relationship. A true giant in Formation, Father Silvio Rogia. Rest in peace, Father Julian. You will be missed very much. The Salesian world remembers you. Peripatetic, globe-trotting Salesian philosopher, deeply human, Salesian Christian in a secularized world. Salesian missionary Andrew M. Chichamba visited along with some guys from the Don Bosco Aleppo, the oldest castle in Syria. It was an opportunity to get to know a very important historical site, but above all to pray together for the new generation so that they find hope and peace after 10 long years of war. The COVID-19 pandemic has brought numerous challenges to the school reality. From face-to-face classes to remote classes, everyone had to adapt quickly to the new teaching setting so as not to lack learning, and at this point, the action of each teacher and teacher in reinventing themselves to incorporate the new class format stands out. The school teams that came together to support the entire new teaching structure, the families who more than ever work side by side with their sons and daughters in this new phase, and all the students who with patience, perseverance and companionship adapted to the new style of class, being increasingly protagonists of their own learning. With the arrival of the vaccine, hopes are renewed that classes are getting back to the normal rhythm. Until then, hybrid teaching, face-to-face and online, allows security and tranquility for the beginning of the 2021 school year in Salesian schools throughout Brazil. So viewers, that is all we have for you today. See you again tomorrow at the same time and in the same channel. Thank you for joining us.